Good evening and good afternoon. So, kako-start lang ng summer season sa Pilipinas. So, for me, this is the time to make photos around Metro Manila. I really like during summer season is like presko yung hangin, very relaxing. Mainit pero masarap magstay sa labas. Pero make sure afternoon kasi pag katanghalian, sobrang init talaga. Sobrang init sa labas. So make sure lang na during 3 p.m. onwards. So what I really like sa summer season sa Pilipinas is that